Hey there, everybody. Adam Bigelson here. I want to do a quick video lesson on Wild Thing. Doing this for one of my students, Eileen. So here you go. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is pull up my chart here with chords and some tabs. The intro. If you look at the intro, A, D, 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 E, 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 E. There are 7 E's at the end there, but I have them grouped. 4 E's, a space, and then 3 E's. That's because there's a pause. So it's E, 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 E. 1, 2, 3, 4, pause, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let me reduce this a little bit. And let me pull up the zoom on my left hand. And here's your intro. A, D, 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 E, 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 E. I'm going to do that again. A, D, 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 E, 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 E. One more time. A, D, 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 E, 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 E. Then it goes into the rest of the song. The majority of the song is this part 1, I'm calling it. So this is where you're doing your A, D, 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 A, D, 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 A, D, 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 A, D, D, D. Now, if you notice what I did here, though, at the end of part 1, there's a line at the top above the E, E, D, 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 and it says 1, 2, 3. This whole section, you're going to repeat 4 times. However, that end of it, E, E, D, 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 only goes the first 3 times. On the 4th time through, you're going to add these 4 E's at the end, or substitute them instead of the last 2 E's and 3 D's. It sounds confusing, possibly. Let me play it for you, and also listen to the song, okay? So here's 1. A, D, 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 E, E. 2. Here's our 4th time. A, D, 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 E, 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 E. So the 4th time through starts with the first 2 chords, A, D, 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 and then right to the 4 E's, E, 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 E. This happens right before part 2. All right, one more time, part 1. A, D, 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 E, D, 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 2. D, 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 E, D, 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 3. A, D, 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 E, D, D, D. 4th time through, D, 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 E, 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 E. Okay? Now you've got this pause. Wild Thing, I think, I love you, or you move me. What are the words? I don't know. This is part 2. And what you're doing here is 3 strings open and the A chord. So it's basically the D, G, and B open, and then A. So it's this. I'm doing the same strings, O2, 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 O2. Wild Thing, you move me. Now, the only thing you have to realize about this is the rests, the pauses, okay? So at the bottom of part 2, the first time through, you have this 6-beat rest. I actually didn't write that there. That goes 4 times. I'm not sure how many times it goes. That's funny. You're going to do this O2, O2. Then there's a 6-beat rest. So it's this. Let me move this out of the way a little bit for you, so you can see my face a little bit because I'm so pretty. O2, O2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then, okay? So part 2, you're doing it 4 times. On the 4th time, you do 7 rests instead of 6 rests. Once again, it might seem a little confusing. The basics of it are this open, 2, open, 2. And then you can listen to the song to get the rhythm, or you can count a little bit, whichever works better for you. Once again, this is how part 2 goes. 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to the beginning. Okay? Intro, part 1, part 2. See what you can do with that. Let me know if you have any questions. And realize there's different ways I could have said this. I'm trying to simplify it a little bit. So for musicians out there, not so critical on this one. Getting some people started, and they're doing awesome with it. So try this. Let me know how things go, and have some fun with Wild Thing. I'll see ya.